Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Bugs Entertainment. Sorry for the lack of videos recently, but I've been studying for exams and I made it out alive. Today we're going to be looking at different man bun styles and how to style them. I'm going to be showing you guys the different ways on how to style that man bun to hide that scary hairline as well as reduce hair strain. For guys like me, man buns can be tricky and scary because I have thinning hair and I don't want to be showing off that scalp. Make sure to stay tuned till the end of the video because I'm going to be showing you guys the best hairstyle to hide that hairline as well as reduce hair fall. Also guys, if you have the strength and goodwill in your hearts, please give the channel a subscribe as I'm sure good luck will come to you if you do. Anyways, without further ado, let's get right into it.
Yes, we meet again with the soothing voiceovers that all you guys adore, unless you don't. Before we get started with the styles, I'll go over my measurements. When I bring the hair down, it reaches my chest at around 10 inches. I've been growing out my hair for about a year and a half now, starting from an undercut. The back of my hair is around 5 to 6 inches. I've been able to tie all my hair up completely at around 15 months of growth. Now the first style I'll be covering is the standard tie where you tie the bun on the occipital bone, throw a little science in there. This is located at the center back of your head. The issue with this, as you can see, is I got a lot of tension on the hairline. This tension is crucial and I'll explain later. The style can be made in a neat, clean way using the comb, or you can go messy using without. To keep your head from showing, I would recommend using the comb. The next style is the half man tied bun thing. It's a style that I don't normally go to, but it's nice to show anyways. This can be tied in many ways. What I'm doing here is grabbing the top and sides of my hair and leaving out the bottom. To tie, you bring the hair through the band and then twist once or twice depending on how tight you want it. If you want, you can tie the bun higher, leaving more hair free, or you can go lower for less hair. It's not the best suited man bun for me, but I would say it's still a look. As always, the comb can be used to keep it clean or just use your hands. Again, the receded hairline is definitely showing and you can already see the tension around the hair. The next style really shows off the bun. I would argue that the high bun that I'm tying up here goes for a look that says, yes, I have a man bun and I'm proud of it. I tend to make the bun as big as possible by adjusting it after it's been tied up by bringing the hair out. With this tie being so high up the head, it allows for less tension on the hairline. The hair doesn't need to be strained as the bun is closer to the roots. I used to wear my man bun with the standard midway tie and it definitely pulled my hairline back. Now that my hair's long again, I tend to go for a man bun style which reduces tension and keeps me looking epic swag. The style that I'm talking about is the mid-part man bun. It's important to use a comb to get as clean as a line down the head as possible, and then I tie the bun at the very bottom of my head. So instead of my hair being pulled straight back, it's being pulled lightly to the sides of my head, reducing the strain and covering up the receded hairline. This style is good for interviews, going on runs, and looking your best without sacrificing your hairline. This is my go-to style and I highly recommend it, especially for us thinning lads out there.
So we're back. I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. Again, I'm really sorry for not posting as much. I plan on getting back into it. I have a bunch of videos planned soon, like exercise videos, food vlogs, regular vlogs, short films, you name it. Please leave a comment down below. I really want to start branching out my content for you guys. This is a YouTube journey that I really don't plan on stopping and I'll take all the support I can get. Anyways, Bugs,